In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if text was written by ChatGPT. In an era where artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly prominent, it's fascinating and quite useful to know how to identify AI-generated content. Let's dive right in and explore this process together. First, we need to begin our journey by heading over to Google. So, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. This is where our search begins, and Google will be our gateway to discovering useful tools available for this task. Once you're on Google, you'll want to type GPT-0 into the search bar. This tool is specifically designed to help determine if a piece of text might have been written by AI, such as ChatGPT. Hit Enter on your keyboard, and Google will present you with a list of search results related to GPT-0. In the search results, look for the official GPT-0 website and give it a click. This website is where you'll be able to make use of the functionalities that GPT-0 offers. It's user-friendly, and you'll find it intuitive to navigate, even if you haven't done something like this before. Now, before we upload anything, let's identify the text you wish to check. You can open up the document or file where this text is located on your computer. Navigate through your folders until you find the exact file. It's important to have this text ready for the next step. Once you have the file open, carefully highlight and copy the text that you want to analyze. Whether it's a paragraph, several paragraphs, or even just a sentence, use your cursor to select the content and copy it. You can do this by right-clicking the selected text and choosing Copy, or by simply pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Having copied the text, return to the GPT-0 website. You've already opened it, so switch back or open a new tab as needed. The next task is to find the input box or the area where you can paste your copied text on the GPT-0 website. Proceed to paste the text into the designated input area by clicking in the field and either right-clicking and selecting Paste or by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. This action transfers your text into the system, ready for a thorough scan. The final step involves verifying your text. Look for the scan button within the GPT-0 interface, which is typically clearly marked and straightforward to locate. Clicking this button will initiate the analysis. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you can effectively use GPT-0 to determine if a text was generated by ChatGPT. It offers a quick and efficient method to satisfy your curiosity and ensure the authenticity of written content. Happy analyzing!